I'm getting sprayed here.
Valley
I'm gonna. Oh, fuck!
20 miles per hour.
That just came in.
50 miles per hour.
There's nothing I can fucking do.
And mainly to flash flooding. Warning for northeastern Greeley County in northwestern
Oh man,
Texas.
yeah, these are
Northwestern Lynn County
monster
in
hail.
northwestern Texas until 8 p.m. 410 southeast of Hereford, moving east at 25 miles per hour. And ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour with miles.
I'm gonna. Oh, fuck!
20 miles per hour.
That just came in.
50 miles per hour with gusts and asphalt size hail.
Yeah, I'm gonna lose the entirety of this windshield here. Oh yeah, I'm getting sprayed here. I'm gonna lose that back window if I'm not careful. Yeah, it's getting up to like baseball size. There's nothing I can fucking do.
And mainly to flash flooding. This is a destructive storm for Houston, Nazareth. Baseball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, broadcast media. Shelter now inside of the structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and more. And through that, for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
It's about 4
Torrential
inches.
rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15
Here we go, guys.
for central Castro County.
2.5 inch hail.
29 p.m. A
That is
severe
some
thunderstorm was
monsters.
located 5 miles
Oh my
southeast
god,
of
I am
Village,
covered in
moving at
glass.
10 miles per hour.
There's glass everywhere.
This is a destructive storm for Village and Nazareth. Hazard. Baseball size hail and
Yeah, no
60
shit,
miles per
there's
hour
baseballs.
with gusts.
Golly.